Hi, this is Spencer Holsheiser with Northern Country Co-op. I work out of the Adams location, and today we're going to go over just some brief combine maintenance or prep for fall with yield monitors and moisture sensors. So right here we're on the clean grain elevator leg of a combine, and we're going to check out the moisture sensor, see what kind of shape that's in. Haven't looked at it since last fall. Could be a little dirty. So you open it up. This is actually the moisture sensor on the back side. You want to give this a good cleaning. And then inside here, there could be some corn or beans or whatever you combined last fall up here. So we want to take this cap off, flush out everything, and kind of clean it out good. Another thing to do is you can't really see it in through here, but there is way back up in here, it's called an eye. To test the auger, you can just run your finger and it should make that auger spin, and that's what recycles your grain. Another thing to check back here, next to the whole moisture sensor setup, there's a moisture sensor module. Then there's usually fuse, and that's another thing to check, that when you combine really wet corn, sometimes that'll blow. All right, now we're at the top of a clean grain elevator leg. Just wanted to point out where the actual impact plate is. This is what hits the grain and actually sends the data to the monitor. It's located right here. Take some bolts out and double check that and make sure you check for wear, and that's in good shape. Now we can come to our monitor here, and once you start combining, if you need help calibrating, we could come out with a weigh wagon, or if you got a grain cart with weight cells in it, you can do some calibration yourself too. So when you get to your map here, at least on the Agulator monitor, other monitors might be different, you click on the weight button, and as you can see, there's a calibration from last year. The best to do it is 3, 4, 5 times. And I like to do it at different speeds, so you get different rates of grain hitting that plate. So I did 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3 mile an hour. I did 4 different checks last year. But simple process. Hit new load, and then you'll start combining. Then you go and you hit end calibration. You want to yes, end it, and you'll dump it into the weigh wagon, and then we will come in and tell you what it actually weighed, and then you will come over here and hit the actual and type that in, and then that's where it'll give you your percent error. And usually if you're under 5%, it's not a huge deal, but the closer you can get, the more accurate it is.
Hi, my name is Brady Cromer, precision agronomist and seed treater here at Northern Country here in Rose Creek. A couple things I want to piggyback on what Spencer had to say about post-harvest yield data. We can take that and actually process that in a couple systems that we use, EFC, SMS, Climate Field View, and then finally My John Deere. We're able to take that data and put that onto whatever device you so desire. Speaking of Climate Field View, we got a couple changes this year coming to Climate Field View. There's 3 new ways that you can get Climate Field View for your operation. First is their bag reward program. If you buy 100 bags of, whether they be 100 bags of corn, 100 bags of soybeans, or 50 of corn, 50 of soybeans through DeKalb Asgrow, you are eligible for 1 free year of climate. Next is, if you're signed up on Bayer Plus Rewards, you also get an additional free year. Each year you're subscribed to Bayer Plus Rewards, and you have to make sure that your Climate Field View account is linked to your Bayer Plus Rewards, which is something that either I or any other agronomist can help you with. Finally, they're dropping the subscription price It is no longer going to be $9.99 a year. It is going to be $99 a year. You will have to go out and buy their puck and mounting hardware for that, but they did drop the price to $99 a year. Finally, I wanted to talk about they are integrated more with this, it's called a Farm Tracks system. It's a relatively affordable yield monitor for your older combines. It comes with the bundle package. It comes with a yield monitor and then moisture sensor. Say you already have a moisture sensor, you can just buy the yield monitor. Say you already have a yield monitor, it'll help you just buy the moisture sensor. So both options are a great idea. And that's just kind of a little update on what we got on climate this year. And if you got any further questions, please feel free to contact either me or any other local agronomists, and they could answer your question right away. Thank you.